Could Fujifilm really skip a generation and put an X-Trans-Vi sensor straight into the XPro6? According to leaks and insider whispers, it's entirely possible, and if true, this would represent one of the most significant upgrades to the XPro series in recent memory. The XPro line has always been defined by its balance between tactile control, rangefinder-inspired design, and exceptional APS-C imaging. The XPro6 appears to continue that legacy, while adding modern technology that could appeal to both traditional photographers and hybrid creators who need a versatile camera for stills and motion. Design-wise, the XPro6 looks to refine the series' classic form factor rather than reinvent it. Leaks suggest a slightly deeper grip for better balance, improved weather sealing for real-world shooting, and precision metal dials that click with satisfying resistance. These changes may seem minor on paper, but in practice, they enhance comfort and usability without compromising the signature XPro feel. Button layout improvements, smoother control ergonomics, and higher quality materials also indicate that Fujifilm is focused on enhancing the user experience for photographers who spend long hours in the field. For anyone who values cameras that feel intuitive in hand, the XPro6 promises a familiar yet more capable experience. At the core of the rumored improvements is the X-Trans-Vi sensor, paired with the XPro6. This combination could deliver notable improvements in dynamic range, low-light performance, and noise control. Fujifilm's acclaimed color science would be amplified, producing richer film simulations and more flexible RAW files for post-processing. Shadow recovery could be cleaner, tonal gradients smoother, and highlight retention improved, giving photographers more confidence in challenging lighting conditions. Portrait, street, and landscape photographers, in particular, could benefit from the expanded dynamic range and refined color, making the XPro6 a highly capable tool across a variety of genres. The hybrid viewfinder has always set the XPro line apart, and the XPro6 may refine this signature feature even further. Reports suggest faster switching between optical and electronic modes, sharper EVF overlays, and reduced lag. This means photographers could retain the situational awareness of an optical viewfinder while leveraging the advantages of an electronic display, such as exposure previews, focus peaking, and histograms. For travel, street, and documentary work, this refinement is invaluable. It allows creators to stay present in the moment while still monitoring technical details and ensuring precise composition. Autofocus upgrades are another potential game changer for the XPro6. Faster phase detection AF, better tracking, and improved low-light performance could make the camera more reliable in demanding shooting conditions. Reliable autofocus is crucial for hybrid creators, and if Fujifilm can deliver, the XPro6 could become a camera that professionals trust in fast-paced scenarios. Alongside AF improvements, in-body image stabilization could dramatically expand the camera's versatility. Combined with stabilized X lenses, IBIS would allow handheld shooting in low light with minimal blur and smoother video capture, making the XPro6 a true hybrid camera capable of handling both stills and motion. The performance of autofocus and IBIS will ultimately determine the camera's real-world usability. If executed well, the XPro6 could set a new standard for APS-C hybrid cameras. Its combination of X-Trans-Vi, XPro6, refined hybrid viewfinder, faster autofocus, and IBIS could make it an indispensable tool for street photographers, travel shooters, and hybrid content creators who want a single camera capable of handling multiple scenarios. With these upgrades, the XPro6 could become the reference APS-C camera for years to come. Dynamic range and low-light performance would likely be the most noticeable benefits for photographers. Improved sensor efficiency and processing power could reduce noise at high ISOs, allowing cleaner, more detailed images in challenging conditions. Combined with Fujifilm's film simulations, the XPro6 could produce vibrant, accurate JPEGs while maintaining RAW file flexibility for advanced post-processing. This balance of immediate usability and creative latitude is particularly appealing for photographers who shoot in unpredictable environments or who want high-quality images straight out of the camera without sacrificing post-processing potential. Video capabilities could also benefit from the rumored upgrades. IBIS would provide steadier handheld video, even in low light or on-the-move shooting conditions. Improved autofocus and faster sensor readouts would further enhance video performance, making the XPro6 a strong option for hybrid creators who need a single camera capable of producing both stills and video. While it may not compete directly with full-frame cinema cameras, its APS-C form factor, coupled with these enhancements, could make it an ideal tool for vloggers, documentary shooters, and hybrid content creators who prioritize versatility and reliability. The XPro6's design refinements also underscore Fujifilm's focus on tactile engagement. Metal dials, precise clicks, and ergonomic button placement all contribute to a camera that feels deliberate and satisfying in hand. Weather sealing and grip improvements provide confidence for outdoor and travel shooting, while durable materials suggest long-term reliability. By fine-tuning the design, Fujifilm appears to be creating a camera that is instantly familiar yet significantly more capable internally, maintaining the tactile heritage of the XPro line while incorporating modern upgrades that improve everyday usability. The XPro6 seems targeted at a wide range of photographers. While high-resolution video specialists or megapixel-focused shooters may look elsewhere, this camera appears designed for creators who value a balance of style, usability, and performance. With X-Trans-Vi sensor improvements, X-Processor 6 enhancements, refined hybrid viewfinder functionality, faster autofocus, and potential IBIS support, the XPro6 could become the go-to APS-C camera for hybrid creators who want a tool that performs exceptionally while maintaining the iconic XPro feel. Release timing could play a key role in the XPro6's market impact. If Fujifilm confirms the camera in 2025, it may redefine expectations for APS-C flagship cameras by merging heritage design with modern capabilities. Sensor and processor upgrades, refined viewfinder, enhanced autofocus, and IBIS suggest a camera that is both capable and reliable for a wide range of shooting scenarios. For creators who prioritize workflow efficiency, image quality, and ergonomics, the XPro6 could become the reference standard in APS-C hybrid cameras. In summary, the Fujifilm X-Pro6 appears to be a thoughtful blend of classic design and next-generation performance. With rumored upgrades including an X-Trans-Vi sensor, X-Processor 6, refined hybrid viewfinder, improved autofocus, and IBIS, the X-Pro6 could represent the most meaningful update in the XPro series in years. By balancing tactile control with modern technological advancements, Fujifilm seems poised to deliver a camera that appeals to purists and hybrid creators alike, offering improved low-light performance, superior color rendition, and versatile capabilities in a stylish, functional package. For photographers who value heritage design, usability, and modern performance, the XPro6 could set a new benchmark for APS-C flagship cameras and redefine what a hybrid creator tool can be.